Hey everyone, so I hope your JEE exam went well, April shift, and yeah, you need now you might be preparing for JEE advanced. That's why I'm creating a previous year question. I'm creating videos on previous year questions of JEE advanced, which might be helpful for you. And these are the questions from alkyl halides. We'll be solving one by one. Okay, these are all the questions which came in J Advance, so you can see. And yeah, we'll solve one by one each. Let's try to solve this question in this particular video. Here they have given these all the reactions. After seeing these reactions, you might feel like, yeah, there are many reagents involved, but they have repeated the usage of reagents also. It's not that difficult question, it's an easy question. Let's see. So let's try to solve it. In the following reactions, P, Q, R, and S are the major products. Okay, we need to solve for P, Q, R, and S products, and then they have given few of the statements, and we need to find out correct statements among those. Okay, so let's try to solve this. Here itself, let's try to solve. It's easy only. So here they have given this, right, and first one is they have given Mg dry ether, which will get converted to what? Grignard reagent. Okay, one of the famous reagent, right? This is a Grignard reagent, and then they have given hydrolysis. If they give hydrolysis, what happens? Now it act like a base and it will obstruct one of the hydrogen. Like you can write water like this, right? So it will obstruct one of the hydrogen from this, and will get simply isopropyl. So we'll get this product as a major product. Okay, this is our product P. Fine. And yeah, the next one, let's try to solve this conversion. And here again it will get converts to Grignard reagent, MgCl, and then in the second reagent they have given an aldehyde, right? Here it acts like a nucleophile. Now it will attack this Grignard reagent, act like a nucleophile, and it will attack on this carbonyl carbon. Okay, and this bond shift towards oxygen. Then what will get over here? Here here it is CH2. Here it will be CO negative HCH3, right? And then they have given hydrolysis also, water. So this will obstruct one of the hydrogen and it will form OH. So here we'll get COH CH3. Perfect. Yeah, now they have given one more reagent, which is CrO3. Now what it will do, like it is a secondary alcohol, right? It is an oxidizing agent. It will try to convert this, oxidize this secondary alcohol to ketone. If it is a primary alcohol, then it get converts to an aldehyde. If it is a secondary alcohol, then it gets converts to an ketone. So finally we'll get this as a major product. Okay, so let me draw it this way. So we'll get this product C double bond O CH3. So this is our product this is our product R. Okay, so this is our product P, this is our product R, major product. And now let's try to solve this conversion. It will form as a Grignard reagent, MgCl, and then they have given the CO2 over here. So let's see. Here they have given CO2. We can write CO2 as like this, right? And here, due to electronegativity difference, there will be a partial positive charge created on this carbon. So again it acts like a nucleophile, and it will attack on this particular, and this will attack on this particular carbon, and this bond shift towards oxygen, and then we'll get a, and then we'll get this. Here it will be, and here it will be CH2. Okay, fine, this will be CO negative, and here it will be one double bond is still left, right? So let's try double bond over here, and here it will be double bond, this is double bond, and here it will be O negative. Fine. And they have given further hydrolysis. They have given H3O plus. It will obstruct one of the hydrogen and it will form the C double bond O OH. Fine. And here they have given NaOH. This base will obstruct this acidic hydrogen and it will form a salt, right? C double bond O negative, Na plus. So I hope you have understood. This is our product Q. So this is our product Q. Okay, fine. And now this one, we just need to solve this particular one. Shall we solve in next slide? I hope you are not getting confused if I solve it over here. Okay, this is not here itself they have given reagents, that's why I'm solving here only. So let's try to solve this conversion here in this slide. Okay, so they have given this particular substrate and the reagent they have given it as ethanolic NaCN. So now ethanolic NaCN, so just it is NaCN, right? It act like a nucleophile and it will substitute, it will just replace this chlorine with Cn negative. Okay, so what happens here, this will act like a nucleophile and this is a nucleophilic substitution reaction, right? So this will leave as a living group and will get a product as this Cn will get. And next reagent what they have given over here, H2 nickel. So this is an a reducing agent, it will reduce the cyanide group to CH2 NH2. Okay, further it will get converted to CH2 NH2. After seeing this reagent you have got an idea, this is a carbolamine reaction, right? So in this reaction, primary amines get converts to isocyanates. Okay, here they have given CHCl3KOH in the presence of heat. This is a carbolamine reaction, and this primary amines get converts to isocyanates. Okay, this will get converts to CH2NC. And the next reagent they have given it as like LiLH4, which is also a reducing agent. Here what we have, it will reduce this NC it will reduce this isocyanide to NHCH3. Okay, here they have given a reducing agent again, so this will get converts to NHCH3. Okay, this is our final product. Yes, so yeah, let's try to read the statements now. P is a primary alcohol with 4 carbons. Let's check P. P is not a primary alcohol, it is an alkane only. So it is not an alcohol. So this statement is wrong because they were asking about correct statements. And here they have given Q undergoes cold base electrolysis to give 8 carbon product. So let's see about Q. So we have got this as our product. Yeah, this will give a coal base electrolysis. What exactly the coal base electrolysis, let me explain. Let me explain you over here. If we have this, if you have any salt like this, if you do this coal base electrolysis, what happens, coal base electrolysis, it will form a free radical alkyl, like R free, it will form a free radical like this, and CO2 will be removed as a byproduct. And again one more radical will be there, generally will take 2 moles. So that one more radical, like these two radicals will form a bond, generally we'll get an alkane. Okay, okay, I hope you have understood what is coal base electrolysis. And what we have got here, q we have got it as this. Let's see, do we get, after doing coal base electrolysis, do we get 8 carbon product or not? So here we have this C double bond O negative Na plus. Okay, so here what happens, we are doing coal base electrolysis. Okay, so here this will get, like it will form a free radical over here. So we'll get this type of free radical, generally we'll take 2 moles of this particular substrate, right? So this makes one bond, will form again one more bond. So here it will be this carbon and here it is this carbon. So how many carbons are there in this product? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yeah, 8 carbons were there, right? So that's why option B is correct answer. So I hope you understood this one, this part. And the next option they have given, R has 6 carbons and it undergoes Cannizzaro reaction. So let's see the product R. This is an R, right? But generally what is Cannizzaro reaction? See, Cannizzaro reaction happens when there were no alpha hydrogens. But here, with respect to this carbonyl group, these are alpha carbons and it is having alpha hydrogen. So this undergoes aldol condensation, not Cannizzaro reaction. So that's why this doesn't undergo Cannizzaro reaction. That's why this option is wrong. And the last option they have given, S is a primary amine with 6 carbons. See here, this is not a primary amine, this is a secondary amine. So that's why this option is so that's why this option also wrong. So we have got option B as a correct answer. Okay, I hope you have understood each and every step how I have solved. And yeah, if you have any doubts in this particular question or in any topic, you just let me know in the comment section. I would love to help you out. Okay, so yeah, all the best for your JEE advanced exam. So yeah, all the best for your JEE advance. And yeah, please just do one thing, like if these videos are helping you out, just let me know in the comment section, and also at the same time share it with your friends. And yeah, this might be helpful for them also. And you just tell me on which topic you just need the detailed video solutions for the previous year questions. I'll create on that particular topic. Okay, so I know your time is precious, but just do that one comment which makes me more motivated to create even more videos. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Just take care and bye.